Kamakhya is a locality in Guwahati, Assam, which is 20 kilometers from the Guwahati airport and about 6 kilometers from the Guwahati railway station. It also has its own railway junction called Kamakhya Junction. Kamakhya, one of the 5 Shakti Peeths, is located on the Nilachal hill near Guwahati. The temple is dedicated to goddess Sati, who is worshipped as Lord Shiva's consort. These temples lead the story of Lord Shiva and goddess Sati and how Lord Vishnu cut goddess Sati into pieces, which fell on earth and became known as Shakti Peeth. Each Shakti Peeth is said to have immense spiritual power and considered as a place of pilgrimage for Hindus. Shakti Peeth are hundreds of centuries old and have kept their local core alive. According to legends, the Yoni Khand is the place where the womb of Sati fell when her body was cut into pieces by Vishnu. As mentioned in the Puranas, it is one of the oldest temples in India. Kamakhya Devi is also known as the bleeding goddess, and the temple has a yoni section or a structure representing the female genitalia. Every year, devotees reach the darshan of millions of people with their wishes from all over India, come to Guwahati to observe this festival. Even foreigners, celebrities come to seek blessings of Mother Kamakhya. The word Ambubachi is made up of 2 words, Ambu and Bachi, in which Ambu means water and Bachi means illusion.
প্রত্যেক বছরে যে অনুষ্ঠিত হয় অম্বুবাচী মেলা ইয়াতে লক্ষ লক্ষ ভক্তৰ সমাগম হয়
Ambubachi Mela, also locally known as Ameti or Amoti, is the biggest religious congregation in the northeast of India. This word refers to the power of women and their birth ability. This fair is held every year in June. During the Ambubachi Yoga Festival, the doors of Mother Bhagwati's Sanctum Sanctorum are closed. The clothes, which are donated from the goddess's menstruation, are offered as prasadam. This fallen cloth is called Ambubachi. Some tantric babas make their public appearances only during these 4 days. The rest of the year they remain in seclusion. Kamakhya Mandir is the main temple in a complex of individual temples dedicated to the 10 Mahavidyas: Kali, Tara, Tripura Sundari, Bhuvneshwari, Bhairavi, Chinnamasta and many more. In Assam, the process of the creation of clay sculpture idols, pratima or murti for the puja, from the collection of clay to the ornamentation is a ceremonial process, and blessings from Maac Kamakhya, the artisans begin making the sculpture idols.
আমি এটা কাজ করছি 47 ইয়ার্স। একটা দুর্গা প্রতিমা তৈরি করতে একজনে তো হয় না, এখানে কমসে কম 3 জন লোক লাগে। 3 জন লোক যদি আমরা কাজ করাই মোটামুটি আমাদের 7 দিন সময় লাগে।
আমিও সেই বিশ্বব্ৰহ্মাণ্ডৰ মাৰ এই গৰ্ভৰ পৰা উৎপত্তি হৈছোঁ। সেইকাৰণে শক্তি অবিহনে এই পৃথিৱী সৃষ্টি হ'ব নোৱাৰিলেহেঁতেন, এই ব্ৰহ্মাণ্ড সৃষ্টি হ'ব নোৱাৰিলে।